In this video, I'll show you how to enable email notifications in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, simply click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Once you are on the Audience section, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, what you need to do is choose the first option, which is Audience Settings. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the audience settings section. And what you need to do is scroll down until you find email settings. Now on email settings, simply scroll down until you find your subscriber notification emails. On the right hand side, simply click on edit. A pop-up will show. From here, you can enable by simply enabling the daily summary. In here, it will automatically send the daily summary to your email. At the bottom, you can also do individual emails as well as individual unsubscribe notifications. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on Save Notification Settings. And once you do that, as you can see, on your subscriber notification emails, you will automatically get a notification for your emails. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.